Ride along on an IFR day in Seattle as I fly the RNAV Yankee runway 14 right approach at Boeing Field. This was the last of 3 approaches and holds that I flew for IFR currency, with another CFI along as a safety pilot. As you'll see, this approach was loggable even without simulating IMC. We flew through clouds inside the final approach fix. This flight was another test of the data capture and replay features of the online service FlyStow, using information downloaded from the Garmin G500TXI and GTN 750XI in my panel. The video begins as ATC vectored us to join the approach. Seattle TRACON controllers have a challenging job sequencing aircraft for the ILS and RNAV approaches to Boeing Field, while also fitting us into the flow of airliners descending overhead into SeaTac. The RNAV Yankee 14 right approach is designed to bring aircraft through Elliott Bay to avoid overflights of the noise-sensitive Magnolia neighborhood that lies directly beneath the final approach fix for the ILS. It's a challenge to fly the short segments that define the path to the final approach fix at COLMT, where you also must make a 15-degree right turn to track the final approach segment. The procedure designers used short segments instead of an arc because they didn't want to rely on RF legs. Not all RNAV-equipped aircraft are approved to fly these arc-like segments, although with my avionics I can fly RNAV-1 RF legs. The chart for this approach was updated in February 2025 to remove the LNAV minimums to an MDA. Now you must be able to follow the approved glide path to the LPV or LNAV-VNAV DA. This approach, like the ILS to runway 14 right, also has a quirk for the published MIST approach. You must remain at or below 1,500 feet until you are well clear of the inbound traffic to SeaTac. Now join me in the A36 for the approach featuring data overlays from FlyStow as I descend along the final approach course to a full stop landing.
Good information, callback 1853 Zulu, wind 310 at 7, visibility 10, track conditions 2,900 scattered, yield 10,000 broken, temperature 9er 2.7, altimeter 29905, ILS runway 14 right approaching east, landing and departing runway 14 right, or left, CFR aircraft aerial flight, simultaneous approach continues to Boeing and SeaTac Airport, next traffic will be on final. Please caution, its approaches require overflight of the runway at or below 1,500. Nolan, bearing Hanonic Mount East Northeast of Boeing 230 feet, AGL flag and lid. Taxiway Bravo 1 holding position by non-standard. Please caution for the activity in all craft base. Aircraft feedback cultural instructions. Advise our initial contact yes, Quebec.
Approach Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot now has information to get back.
Thank you. Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, contact approach 125.9, good day.
259 46 Foxtrot 4. Approach Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot level 4000. We have Quebec requesting the RNAV Yankee 14 right.
16 Foxtrot,
Put 20.6 up here. I've got Seattle VOR in pain now, number 2. Since we're wandering up here on a tour.
6 Juliet Whiskey, flighting 210. 903, contact approach 120.1. 46 Foxtrot to maintain 3,000.
3000 46 Foxtrot.
Romeo, cleared ILS 14
Flaps out just so we don't get ILS too fast. 200 to go. I think that's what he's going to do, is take us to Lemon. Unless he's going to take us out on a bigger excursion.
We're 46 Foxtrot to maintain 2,000.
2000 46 Foxtrot.
Measure ADC approach for further contact.
200 to go.
Roger, 80, turn left heading 110.
It's flashing.
Roger, 80, contact approach on 123.9.
Looks like it's capturing this time.
Six Foxtrot cross, limit at 2,000, cleared straight in RNAV for Edward.
Limit at 2,000, cleared straight in 14 right, RNAV 46 Foxtrot. Okay, approach mode is now armed. And limit at 2, and then we go down to 1,600. And COLMT will go ahead and activate VNAV on that. 1,600 is there. VPATH is active. Yeah, the only problem I have is trying to, in this airplane, if you have to make a steeper descent like that, you build up a lot of speed.
For Kansas Station received, one VFR today.
Okay, we're now about 2.5 minutes to limit, 5 miles. We can power back up just a little bit here. Set 25.
Or 46 Foxtrot, contact tower.
Switching tower, 46 Foxtrot. Boeing tower, Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, just over limit on the RNAV, Yankee 14 right.
Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, Boeing tower, wind 300 at 10, runway 14 right, clear to land.
14 right, clear to land, 46 Foxtrot. Ground control frequency comes up, we're clear to land. We'll watch it, make sure we don't go below 1,600. Here comes 1,600. We're about a minute from COLMT. Final approach fix, we have a turn to 135 there. And we'll go gear it as we get the glide path.
Class Bravo above in 1 point.
Speed's good. Engine's happy.
Boeing tower, Gulfstream 365 here, Charlie, approaching 14 right, ready for takeoff.
Number 31 Romeo, say parking.
01 is going to customs.
31 Romeo, roger. You can turn left at Alpha 7, cross, runway 14 left, and then contact ground point 9 on the other side. Good day.
Left at Alpha 7, clear to crossing ground on the other side, 31 Romeo.
Gulfstream 365 Sierra Charlie, Boeing tower, wind 300 at 10, runway 14 right, clear for takeoff.
14 right, clear for takeoff, 365 here, Charlie.
And glide paths coming in. Speed checks, gear coming down. 3 green. Okay, power set, approach flaps, mixtures rich, 3 green. Well, this one counts.
Yep.
Missed approach altitude 1500. Do have a tailwind about 9 knots.
Medevac Yellowstone 1, Boeing Tower, you ready to go now?
Yellowstone 1 ready.
Yellowstone 1, wind 300 at 10, runway 14 right, clear for takeoff. Nodal in the roll, please. Traffic Bonanza, 2.5 mile final.
14 right, cleared for takeoff, Yellowstone 1.
Or 46 Foxtrot, there's a steamer. I'm taking the runway now, departing priority arrival.
Thank you. We're still IMC, just breaking out now. 46 Foxtrot.
You said you're just breaking out now?
Yes, looks like the bases are around 750.
Roger, thank you. 450 Charlie, you can contact Stella departure. Good day.
To departure, 50 Charlie, good day.
A
2
runway in
mile
sight.
final runway 14 right.
Autopilot, yaw damper coming off. Power back a little bit.
He's off.
Yeah, I see, thank you. Speed checks will go full flaps. Flight director's coming off. Okay. 3 green.
Medevac Yellowstone 1, contact Stella
500.
departure. Thanks for the roll.
Over to departure, Yellowstone 1, good day.
Props forward. Bit of a tailwind here.
Number 46 Foxtrot, say parking.
Midfield hangars west side, 46 Foxtrot.
46 Foxtrot, roger. There's no traffic on final right turn 1 able. You can contact ground point. Have a good day.
Okay, we'll make Bravo 4 and then contact